Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. So today I'll be explaining what is fractional indices. So basically what is fractional indices? So basically in fractional indices, the law of indices also apply when the index is fraction. For example, if we have x to the power of 1 over 2 multiplied by x to the power of 1 over 2, so these both powers will add up together, so we will write x to the power of 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2. So both denominator are same, so 1 plus 1 is 2, so this will be 1. So x will be x to the power of 1 or x, so this will be the answer. In second case, if we have y like this, y to the power of 1 over 3 multiplied by y to the power of 1 over 3 multiplied by y to the power of 1 over 3. So these powers, all three will add up together, so 1 plus 1 plus 1 will be 3. So y to the power of 3 over 3, that will be y to the power of 1 or y, so this will be the answer. Then in third option, if we have y to the power of 1 over 3, so what we will do over here is not y to the power of 1 over 3, it will be y to the power of 2. So over here, if it's power to 1 over 2, so we'll write square root of y, because 1 over 2 will be the square root of y. Then another example, if we have over here y to the power of 1 over 5, so what we will do over here is the power which is 1 over 5 will be the square root. This will be the square root, not the numerator. The denominator will be the square root. So square root of y to the power of 5 like this. So this will be the answer. Another example is, if we have in numbers, if we have 64 and here we have cube root, so if we have to write this in the index notation, so what we will write is 64 to the power of 1 over 3. So this will be the index notation and this will be the root sign. So over here, if you write, this will be the root sign and this will be the index notation.